Team pride at your doorstep. This beautiful embossed doormat has official team logos and colors. Made of outdoor-safe, durable, weather-resistant polypropylene. The textured design captures unwanted dirt and debris as you welcome guests for game day. The perfect fit. A great size for any entryway, the laundry room or your fan cave. This measures 30 by 18 inches. Features a recycled rubber backing to make sure it stays safely in place. The ridges and grooves of the mat easily trap dirt before debris gets tracked into your house, while its thick material absorbs moisture. Make your favorite sports lover smile. Looking for a unique gift sure to make them smile? This is a great option for the sports lover in your life. Whether looking for the perfect addition to the fan cave, a great gift for Father's Day, Mother's Day or game day, we've got you covered. About US. Team Sports America is our licensed sports brand and features NFL, NCAA, MLB, NBA, NHL licensed products. We carry items for every fan shop with over 6,000 high-quality sports merchandise in NFL, NHL, MLB, NBA, and NCAA teams. Explore our catalog. Core items of this brand include flags, home and garden decor, barware, tailgating and gift-giving items any fan could appreciate. Click on the brand name above to browse our options. Top reviews from the United States. It actually holds the dirt. It holds the dirt. The dirt doesn't get on your floor. It holds a lot of dirt. Oops, I accidentally left it put and put my 10-month-old Cane Corso puppy outside and forgot KT was on the porch banister for hours. It not only survived and not too bad looking. Cost touch for me right now. But I would like to get 3, replace mine, more. I got it as a gift for my husband. The best mat ever. Love it.